Good day, everybody. My name is Antonio. I'm all the way from Jamaica, and the reason why I'm doing this video is to let y'all know that Forex for Beginners Academy, that's where you want to be. You know what I mean? Definitely, that's where you want to be. Look, right now I'm actually cruising. Yeah, I'm actually in Harmony of the Seas. Right now, when I say that's where y'all want to be if you want to do trading, you know what I mean? I've been through like so many other places, you know what I mean, trying to find out strategy after strategy and all these things. And everybody talk about, oh, they got a perfect strategy and whatever not. You know what I mean? But let me tell you, Said, which is the CEO of Forex for Beginners Academy, I'm telling you, this dude, he's real. You know what I mean? Take it from me. Right now, I can able to travel the world, man. Look, a cruise ship. That's the one I'm on, by the way. Harmony of the Seas. You know what I mean? Yeah, baby. I'm telling you, like what this guy taught me. You know what I mean? He has a school online where he take you from the basic. You know what I mean? To become like a pro, you know what I mean? But first, I used to see Forex and I look at it, I'm like, I was so confused, you know what I mean? As I said, I've been through other persons, I tried them all, you know what I mean? And then I find this guy. I mean, I tell you that this guy is legit, you know what I mean? Market structure, you learn about support and resistance, how to properly do a support and resistance level. You know what I mean? The right fib retracement area and all, you know what I mean? I'm telling you, man, it's hot out here. By the way, I'm in St. Martin, just to let y'all know. Yeah. And what I'm telling you, like, this guy made the market look so simple, you know what I mean? I did not know that when price is moving up and down or whatever you want to call it, you know what I mean? It creates higher high, higher low. Yeah, we all know that. When it's going up, it creates lows, lower low, lower high when it's going down. We all know that, you know what I mean? But at the same time, the higher the time frame, it is so powerful, you know what I mean? And when he showed me how to draw trend line, how to draw a channel, and show me how price is actually moving in the channel, oh my God, man, it was crazy. That shit get lit, you know what I mean? Sorry my language, but I'm telling you, that get lit. And as I said, I would encourage anybody, you know what I mean? We have a discussion group on Facebook, you know what I mean? Once you finish all your step-by-step videos, your training and everything, then you will be able to get access to the discussion group. And you send your chart, he analyze it, and where you make the mistake, he corrects you, you know what I mean? Yeah, and this guy, he will talk to you 24/7, believe it or not, you know what I mean? Don't listen to all these scammers out there who tell you, oh, get rich quick scheme. That's all a bunch of lie. You know what I mean? He teaches you how to become a technical trader. You know what I mean? That's what you need. You need to become a technical trader. Don't run down the money. You know what I mean? Run down the knowledge. You get the knowledge, then the money will follow. Always remember that. You can't run down the money. You run down the money, you will get nothing. You know what I mean? You will always have people that say, you know what? They will try to scam you off. You know what I mean? They said, oh, you know what? They put up some fake ass stuff and say, hey, I'm this, I'm that, or whatever not. You know what I mean? Then you buy into that shit. You know what I mean? And when you buy into that shit, then you forget everything what you're supposed to do. You know what I mean? You say, oh, I want to be like that guy. I want to be this. I want to be that. No, be yourself. You know what I mean? Take the step. Become a technical trader. Learn it. You know what I mean? Once you learn it, nothing can stop you. Nobody can stop you. Nobody can tell you nothing. You know what I mean? Nobody. So, as I said, Forex for Beginners Academy, that's where y'all want to be. Look it up.